Hello everyone, hearty welcome to the new academic year. Today we are going to study the first lesson of Magic Place textbook, The Fun They Had. Before starting the lesson, let us discuss about technology. We all know that the development in the field of communication, health, transportation, and even entertainment was possible only through technology. Artificial intelligence, that is, intelligence which machine shows in problem solving and even learning, is changing the whole world. Have you heard about Google cars? Google cars don't have drivers actually. Even robots assisting doctors to perform surgery is also possible nowadays. Then let us discuss about the author. Isaac Asimov was an American writer. He was also a professor of biochemistry at Boston University. He was known for science fictions, and his major series include Galactic Empire series and Robot series. Now let us read the textbook. Please take page number 1. When I read, please read along with me. The Fun They Had. Advanced technology teaches pilots how to fly planes without actually flying in the sky. They use a machine called a flight simulator in which pilots learn about flight controls and how aircrafts react in storms. When these pilots climb into real cockpits, they are already familiar with the art of flying. Find out what the term virtual reality means. The introduction of this lesson says about how pilots learn to fly planes. You know, children, there is a technology called virtual reality, where artificial environment is created using a software. Something like, a goggles will be put along with headset, and you can feel the real situation. That is called virtual reality. It's not actually reality, but it is something created by a software. Okay, now let's see what the text is about. Margie wrote about in her diary that night. On the page dated May 17, 2157, she wrote, "Today, Tommy found a real book. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his father had told him that there was a time when old stories were printed on paper. They turned the pages which were yellow and wrinkled, and it was funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen. And when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time." So children, in paragraph 1, Margie and Tommy are the main characters of the story, and you have to keep it in your mind the year. What is the year? The year is 2157. Now, which year is this? 2020, isn't it? So Margie wrote it in her diary that her brother Tommy found a real book. Real book in the sense they are seeing a book for the first time. The book had yellow color pages. Okay, the description of the book is given, how it looks. The book had yellow color pages and it was wrinkled. Wrinkled means small folds, lines. When something you use for a long time, especially a paper or a book, there will be wrinkles. Okay, so it had wrinkles and they were actually very much surprised to see words without moving. Just think, can you just move letters in a book? Can you move letters in a book? No, isn't it? It's fixed. But what about something like a Kindle reader? You know what is a Kindle reader? Book or a page will be exhibited on the screen just like a tab. Books, the pages will be there in the tab. You want to turn the next page, you just need to scroll up. Or you want to refer to any particular word, you have to just click there. The dictionary will be open and from that you can take the meanings. So they are actually much surprised to see a real book in their life. Okay, so they are thinking about what book is this, what type of book is this, and they are just amazed and surprised to find out a real book for the first time in their life. What a waste, said Tommy. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away. I guess our television screen must have had 1,000,000 books on it, and it can still hold plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. So Tommy, the brother Tommy, Margie's brother Tommy is telling what a waste. When he saw a book for the first time, he's telling what a waste. When you are through with this book, you just throw it away, I guess. Once you know the story of a book, of a novel or a short story, if you know what it is, you will just throw it away. That's what Tommy is telling. And their television screen have 1,000,000 books on it. Our television screen is having 1,000,000 books on it. That means in Kindle readers or any other screens, books and articles will be limitless. You can search, you can scroll up, down, or do whatever you like in a telebook. But here Tommy is telling it's a pure waste, because books, once you read the story, once you know what is in the book, there is no use of keeping it for future. After reading, you will just throw it away. It can still hold plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. So the Tommy is telling, television I will not throw it away, but book is just a waste. Okay, turn the page. Same with mine, said Margie. She was younger than Tommy and had not seen as many telebooks as he had. Where did you find it? She asked. In my house. He pointed without looking because he was busy reading. In the attic. What it's about? School. Margie was scornful. School? What is there to write about school? So children, here Margie also has the same opinion that book is a waste, and she too loved telebooks. Just like her brother Tommy, she also loved telebooks more than normal books. Then Margie asked Tommy, where did you find the book? And he said he got it from the attic. Okay, attic means it's a place just below the roof of a house. In old house and all, you can see attic where people store old things. So from there, he actually found this book. And she asked what the book is about. So she's asking her brother what the book is about, and Tommy said it is about school. And when she heard that it was about school, she was scornful. Why she was scornful? What do you mean by scornful? Scornful means reacting angrily. Something which somebody is telling something and you don't like that, you become scornful. So scornful means reacting angrily. And she's asking, what is it to write about school? So she is not at all interested in the subject school, and she is asking, what is it so special to write about school? Margie did not enjoy school. Her robot teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse till her mother had shaken her head sadly and sent for the county inspector. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. Then he took the robot apart. Margie had hoped he would not know how to put it together again, but after an hour or so, there it was again, large and white and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. So children, why Margie hated school? Because she had a robot teacher. Children, what is your opinion about robot taking a class? Do you actually enjoy? A mechanical teacher who doesn't care about your emotions, a robot teacher who doesn't give you any free periods to relax. Which one do you enjoy actually? A robot teacher or a human being? Okay, I need the answer when you come back to class. So here, this robot teacher kept on giving her test papers, and Margie was showing weak performance in her geography subject. Okay, so her mother became so sad and called the county inspector. Who is a county inspector? County inspector is a person who carries boxes of wires and things for repairing a machine. That is a county inspector. So her mother called the county inspector for repairing. Now the description of the county inspector is given in the paragraph. How he looks. He was a round little man with a red face, and he had a big box of tools which had dials and wires. What do you mean by dials? Dials means it's a round part of a machine which is used to show the speed, time, temperature of something. That is dials. Usually this county inspector, people who repair all these things, will have dials and wires with them. Okay, so the description of county inspector is given here. And he took the robot teacher for repairing. So what did Margie thought? Margie thought that he would not repair it, but unfortunately the robot teacher was repaired and the man brought it back after 1 hour. See, the girl thought that, Margie thought that county inspector will not be able to fix this issue, but he brought that back after 1 hour. Okay, then the description of mechanical teacher is given in the next paragraph. Okay, it is given. It had a large and white and ugly with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. So it had a large, white, ugly, big screen, and all the lessons were shown in the screen of that machine. And this mechanical teacher kept on asking questions also. So because of all these reasons, Margie did not like school.